In all the land, his muffins smell so warm and sweet, a yummy, happy, tasty treat. He twirls his spoon, he flips his pan. He's the muffin baking man. With powdered sugar on his nose, he laughs and dances as he goes. So if you see him pass your way, wave hello and shout hooray. Do you know the Muffin Man? We love him more each day. Sing along with kids.
As I was going up Pippin Hill was dirty. There I met a pretty miss, and she dropped me a curtsy. Little miss, pretty miss, blessings light upon you. If I had half a crown a day, I'd spend it all upon you. Little miss, pretty miss, blessings light upon you. If I had half a crown a day, I'd spend it all upon you.
Sing along with kids. The hike, he loves the high wood. The hare, she loves the hill. The knight, he loves his bright sword. The lady loves her will. The hike, he loves the high wood. The hare, she loves the hill. The knight, he loves his bright sword. The lady loves her will. Sing along with kids. The ice cream bridge melts away under the sun on a bright spring day. Strawberry scoops and vanilla beams drip and swirl into rainbow streams. Chocolate rails and a waffle floor start to soften more and more. Sprinkles fall like sugar rain as giggling kids run down the lane. Banana boats go floating by in rivers of fudge beneath the sky. Marshmallow clouds drift above in the candy world we all dream of. The ice cream bridge melts with cheer, but don't you worry, it reappears each night. It forms in moonbeam light, ready for joy at morning's first light. Sing along with kids. Sleepy little panda, snuggled in your bed. Moonlight shining softly on your furry head. Tucked beneath the bamboo leaves, cozy as can be. Dreaming of the forest and climbing up the tree. The stars are twinkling gently, the night is calm and deep. The owls are softly hooting, close your eyes and sleep. Your day was full of giggles, of cuddles, and of play. Now it's time for lullabies to carry you away. Sing sleepy gray town. He grabs his boots all shiny and red and pops a hat on his fuzzy head. A splash in a puddle, a twirl in the rain, dancing and skipping down the bamboo lane. Raindrops sparkle like jewels in the sky. Panda giggles as the ducks waddle by. He finds a dry spot under a tree and sips warm tea with honey and glee. The clouds drift off and the sun peeks through. A rainbow shines in every hue. Back home he goes, warm and dry. A panda's rainy day, oh me, oh my. Sing along with kids. Sun shines so bright, wake us up with golden light. Peek through windows stretched so wide, chase the stars and clouds that hide. Warm the flowers, dry the dew, paint the sky a glowing blue. Giggles bloom in morning air, sunshine sprinkles everywhere. Sun up so high, smiling in the cotton sky. Birds all sing and children play. Thank you, sun, for a brand new day. Sing along with kids. Row your dinosaur gently down the stream in a boat with dino oars, gliding through a dream. Stomp, stomp, splashy feet, tails go swish and spin. Through the jungle down they go with giant toothy grins. Roar, roar, sing a tune underneath the moon. Riding waves and catching stars, they'll be home real soon. Row your dinosaur, laughing all the way. Adventure ends at Dino Bed. Good night to Dino Play.